I got 7 awesome body language tricks to share with you, and I will use some fun examples to make it super easy to understand. Maintaining eye contact is like sending a secret message that says, "Hey, I'm really interested in you." Imagine you're in a crowded place, like a fun fair, and you spot someone special. When you catch their eye and maintain eye contact, it's like having a silent conversation. When you stand tall and confident, it's like saying, "I'm strong and sure about my point." Now, picture yourself in a heated argument. Your body language shows your emotions. If you stand tall and confident, it conveys strength and conviction. But if you slouch or cross your arms, it shows defensiveness and dissatisfaction. Your facial expressions are like a window to your emotions. Let's say your girlfriend is telling you an exciting story. If you have a big smile on your face, it's like shouting, "I'm so happy and excited for you." Your facial expressions can convey your emotions without saying a word. Hand gestures are like your secret language, making your bond even stronger. Think about hanging out with your best friend. You both have secret handshakes or special signs only you understand. Those hand gestures create a unique connection and strengthen your bond. When you stand really close to someone, it's like showing that you two are best buddies. Imagine you're with your best friend at the playground, playing a super fun game. Standing shoulder to shoulder shows that you're having a blast together and are inseparable. Mirroring is like a secret code that says, "We're totally on the same page and having a blast." Imagine playing an awesome game with your friend. You both start doing the same moves at the same time, like copying each other. Mirroring each other's actions creates a strong connection and shows that you're in sync. Your touch is like saying, "I care about you so much and you mean the world to me." Picture hugging your family, especially your grandma. It's like wrapping them in a warm, cozy blanket of love. Your touch can convey love and affection without the need for words. Learning about body language is like having a treasure map to connect with people and express your feelings without words. Whether it's sparking a connection, showing your emotions, or creating strong bonds with friends and family, these tricks are your secret superpowers. So give them a try and watch how they work their magic. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more exciting adventures.